taser.
Stay that way. Hey, no. Give me a hug.
Stop.
Let me get
Put your hands behind your back.
Let me get my daughter. I got something. You think I'm playing or everything else?
He sent a squad. She was tased.
No. On everything I love. I'm getting up and I'm not going to do nothing. Can I get my daughter a hug? No. Can I get my daughter a hug? She's right there. She's right there. No.
Shame on you for exposing your daughter to those
No,
stuff.
shut the f up talking to me. How about that? You do that. And don't go friends. You do that because no harm. And I didn't do nothing towards you. And I didn't do nothing towards anger you or nothing like that. Like I said, come here and give me a kiss right now. And if you hug, you talking to my daughter, I'm a smack. Give me a kiss. You hear me? Give me another one. I'll be back tomorrow, okay? Give me a kiss. I love you, okay? And do everything they tell you to, okay? I promise you. You're gonna be okay, okay?
Mommy,
I know. Call her after I leave. Call her after I leave, okay? Do you hear me? Give me a kiss,
Sit up for
okay?
us, please. Sit up, alright?
Hold on one second. Hold on. We're gonna go this way. All right? Just sit up. Okay.
Okay, like this. Come here. Can I give her a hug?
Give me 1 second.
Okay. No, don't tell me I can't give her a hug.
No, because you're handcuffed.
I'm not. Can I give her a kiss? Can I give her right here?
Let us do what we gotta do. We just came in here because
Okay,
you guys started
let me
fighting.
give
And
me
you
a
started
kiss.
fighting someone.
I didn't kiss.
She just gave you 2 kisses.
Okay, and now I want to give her another
Come
one.
on. Stop doing this.
Let me give her a kiss. That's all y'all gotta do. Come here,
Please get the kids upstairs. Please get the kids
Come
upstairs.
here. There's a bed. Hold on. Let me go get her daughter. Let me go get her daughter. Give me a kiss right now. Go. Give me a kiss. Okay.
that she just took a whole lot of extra.
Okay, so
And I didn't at
go
all.
around there and get these kids upstairs, please. We'll get a statement from you in a second. But right now, we don't need everyone around us. Get out.
Y'all can knock over whatever it's over.
Jesus Christ, hold on. Jesus, hold on, man.
And she wanted to do all that for no reason. And she could just ask me. Sorry. No, I'm not doing nothing at all. You don't see me doing nothing at all. I'm not kicking. I'm not doing nothing. And y'all trying to do all that for what? And all you gotta do is just tell me to get up. And look, what the f is he doing?
Roger, stop.
Like what? Like what?
Hey, just
What?
wait till the ambulance.
No, he's trying to do all that. What? Put your shoes on. No. Put your shoes on. No, he's just trying to do that for what? And then he's talking about dangerous stuff. No. Before that, he just told him to stop.
When the squad gets here, they'll come out.
Like what? Before me. And he want to do all that. Get the f away from me.
Can I take
For real.
give me your necklace so they don't lose A?
Get up, please.
Here.
Can I take your necklace?
Yeah, wait till the squad gets here. Let her sit up against this.
No, I don't want him touching me right there. Him. I'm going to put Dozier. Because he just had to tell him to stop too many times. And now he just want to stop because the film's rolling. He told you to stop. And I would get up if you tell me to get up. Can I please just get up and sit on the couch?
Grab that.
And I swear to God, please
Right
just let me get up.
Ma'am, just sit for 1 second. No,
No, I swear to God, no. I don't care. Take me, I don't care. And he did me for no reason.
You attacking?
No, I don't care. She hit me first. I didn't even get away from me. Get away from me.
Ma'am, I think it's kind of...
Can you just tell her to get away from me? I just want to be by myself right now. Get away from me. Get away from me. Can I sit right there on the steps?
She just walked up to me, started.
No, ain't no walk up till you start doing nothing. And I'ma make sure they know what happened. And I swear to God, from right now, oh God, I'ma let you know what happened. And after that, you're on your own.
My sister, she's right here on the phone. She can even vouch. So I was talking to her about the whole situation that happened because she's not here. The next thing you know, she started coming in here just talking about, I don't give a wanted da-da-da-da-da. I'm legit on the phone with her. She grabbed my, right here. So the next thing you know, she grabbed my cell phone. So I go like this. I say, don't do that. I turn on the light. Flip. It's going to take a few seconds to come on. So I grabbed my cell phone. I said, please don't do that. Don't do that. I don't know how much my sister recorded on her phone. I told her, I said, hurry up and record it because ain't nobody going to believe. The next thing you know, I stand up because I'm legit in the corner of the couch that's right there. So I stand up because I'm about to try to go over the couch to go upstairs. The next thing you know, she just swing on. So I pushed her.
Where at?
Right
In here or?
No, right here. So I was legit right here on the couch like this, talking to her. She come, stand up right here, yelling, talk about a bitch. So she grabbed my phone. I'm still right here. She grabbed my phone. So then I stand up like this because I'm about to try to stand on here to go over there. She come, boom. So
While you're standing right there?
yeah, because
Okay.
I'm right here. She go, boom. So I push her. Then she started running towards me. So I pushed her again. So then the next thing you know, she grabbed me by my hair. We go right here. So about that time, she coming, yelling to get y'all. We right here. I go like this because she got me by my hair. She grabbed me, bit me, and did this. And I'm doing this. That's when y'all two trying to say stop. But she got me like this. That's when I was on top of her.
So call us here and talk.
So you got a video.
I was legit just sitting.
So what the happened from everything else?
You just start
Care about me. That is not about you.
Structure, please.
Stop
Thanks.
talking to me. That is not Stop talking about. That is not Stop talking to me. We don't want her to go to jail right now. No, I don't care. I don't care if I go to jail. I already got a warrant. I already know from when. We don't. No. I already know. No, I didn't take nothing. And they lying on
So
me.
what we're gonna do is we're gonna transport her to the hospital just so she can get it back. Do you know what she
And
said
they,
by chance?
no, y'all hit me in my mouth, and my mouth is swole from you. And before he told you to stop, that's what the. And then now you want to be coherent and want to hear. And him right there. No, he hit me in my mouth before you said anything. He hit me in my mouth and then you told him to stop. Mom,
So it sounds like one of her roommates or sisters or someone said that she took a bunch of ecstasy.
You don't see that. And the motherfucking cop hit me. Yes, he did in my mouth. I go to jail. I don't care.
Why don't you go to the hospital?
I don't care.
Hey, Will.
I don't need no cop.
Just sit down, ma'am. Right here, okay?
You don't even have to walk nowhere.
I'm not asking no questions, so stop talking to me until I get there. I'm just going to make it easy as possible.
Go to Metro.
I don't want to go to Metro. I want to go to UH.
Well, that's where we're going.
And my sister's right here. No, because my sister can tell me. Tell y'all. And it's what I want to go to. It's not what y'all want to take me to.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll get the paramedics.
No, that's not even fair. Like, and I just been through that with my sisters.
Okay.
They just went here till yesterday.
So the unfortunate. They'll get you going, okay?
No, ain't no. They ain't gonna get me nowhere. How you gonna tell me where I'm supposed to go?
The next available bed.
No, and I'm saying I don't need to go nowhere. But they trying to take me to.
31, come on out.
Go to US.
Brian.
They're not gonna take me to US.
He's right here. Will.
They talk about USA. I'm not trying to go there. Take me to jail, if anything. I don't care. Like, I'm not going to hit nobody. They won't allow me. I just
Yeah,
asked
I'm right with you. All right.
They won't allow me. Take me from behind my bag. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah,
Did
give
she,
me-
my
give
sister
me-
come with me?
Listen, miss. Listen, give me a couple minutes, okay? And we'll start working with you. You gotta work with me though. Got a couple minutes, or
I'm not.
I'm on your guys' side.
So this all kind of started because of a guy in the
Car. Yes.
Okay.
And I'm like, you need to call your sister, try to help you fuse the situation. She can even tell you she started texting her off the wall. She just started texting her. I'm still on the couch and minding my own business talking to her. Then the next thing you know, she come down the steps and she was like, yeah, this da-da-da-da, just calling me on my name. I did not say 2 words because I'm just out here. By that time, I tell my sister, I said start recording because I told y'all earlier, you always gonna probably have to take her. I know how she gets. So I tell her, I'm like, start recording in case something happens. I said so that she don't try to say that it's me because I have too much to lose. So the next thing you know, I'm talking to her on the couch just sitting minding my own business. She tried to grab the phone. I'm like, yeah, no, don't do that. She tried to grab it again. I said, yeah, don't do it. So I get up because I'm sitting in the couch, so I have nowhere else to go. I know if I go forward, she gonna feel like it's a threat. So I'm about to try to walk over the dresser to come upstairs. As I do that, she legit lunge at me. So I push her back, and then as I'm trying to go over the dresser, she pulled me by my hair, pulled me down like this. So at that point, I swing on her, like to try to get my hair out.
No, you don't. No, you don't. You just got show, but it's
No,
okay.
that's not
yes,
true.
You is.
No, it's not.
Yes, you is. And I'm gonna go with it, knowing it's okay.
No,
but after, I'm not with nobody.
They making me get out.
And it's okay. I'm telling you, I'm not. And I'm telling you, when I tell you everything, yeah, it's going to be different. It's going to be different.
Did you take anything? If you did, listen.
No, I was just drinking liquor. That was it. Only drunk from Luna Zoo, from like the liquor store. That was it. I don't want to talk to nobody right now until my sister get here. So if y'all can give me that space, then I'd rather have that. I don't want to talk to nobody right now.